doing some tidying today, cleaning up after I did a painting project, painted one of the rooms in the house. So tidying up different stuff, trying to get some kind of order. So the shelf project is on hold at the moment. But I found some of my the blades for a jigsaw and the multi-cutter, some screws. It's going to be a nice little storage spot right there. Also want to start tearing this down and fill the trailer so I can go to the landfill tomorrow. So we'll see if I can do that as well, and also tidy up this corner right here. So that's what's going on in the workshop today.